Hey there, fella. Do you want to earn some extra cash for the upcoming holidays or for your own special purposes? Yes! Would you like to do it from the comfort of your own home online for free? Yes! Introducing YSense. YSense is an online survey site that provides numerous opportunities to make some extra cash online. Great, another low-paying, limited survey site. Actually, not true. YSense not only provides its own surveys, but also works with other survey partners such as Peanut Labs, Offer Toro, Wanna Ads, and others. So you will be hard-pressed to run out of surveys. Even if you don't qualify, there are more surveys, so you don't worry about it. Surveys on YSense can pay $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, or more, or less if you like that for some reason. Edgy appeal. Surveys not your thing? Well, you can also earn extra cash other ways, such as installing apps and mobile games, signing up for stuff, trying trials, and even watching videos. They even have an option where you can work initially, but then make passive income with YSense's affiliate program. It's simple, really. Read the rules about promoting your link and then send it to your family, friends, and colleagues and encourage them to sign up. For every referral that becomes active, you will earn a sign-up commission of 10 cents or 30 cents from select countries, which can be found in the YSense affiliate program information section. Once your referrals earn their first $5, excluding commissions and bonuses, you will also earn an extra $2 bonus. For every approved survey offer and task your referrals complete, you earn a whopping 20% commission of that they earn. Increase your commission level up to 30%. See details on the info page. The more active your referrals are, the more you earn. So keep informing people about this great opportunity to make more. That's right, you can make some money off the hard work of the people you know, like the evil survey capitalist you are. YSense also offers numerous types of rewards, such as PayPal, Amazon, American Eagle, Barnes & Noble, Payoneer, Skrill, Nintendo, Bath & Body Works, and many more. Note, due to current Federal Trade Commission guidelines, I am required to inform you that the link to YSense is a paid affiliate link, which I will receive financial benefits from in their affiliate program. I am also not affiliated, nor do I represent any of the rewards I have listed. I also have a non-affiliate link. If you can't decide which one to click, I recommend clicking my affiliate link, as you might expend less energy than moving the mouse down to the other one. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.